Using the GWS grinder and a segmented cup wheel, 4.5 inch, 5 inch that is. I've already cut my circle and I used a crack chase. I'm gonna take this cup wheel and start cleaning it up, and I'm gonna do some drawing and some other stuff in it just for an example later. And since I cut that circle, I've still got there's an awful lot of drag on this, but like I said, I didn't start with a fresh battery. That's about all I wanted to do, was just knock the sharp edges off of it. It's really rough concrete. So now I'm cleaned up. I can draw on top of it now, and I'm gonna cut a logo into it.